Hey everyone, welcome back to the Review Scout. Today, I'm thrilled to share something that could change how you do affiliate marketing, especially with the holiday season upon us. If you're interested in making money online without the typical hassles, let me introduce Aixmastore. This AI-powered software allows you to build a fully functional Amazon affiliate store in under 60 seconds. That means, in just a few clicks, you'll have a store loaded with popular Amazon products that people are already searching for, specifically themed around major holidays like Christmas, New Year, Valentine's Day, and Halloween. What's amazing is that you don't need any experience, technical skills, or even a budget for ads to get started. Aixmastore handles everything, from setup to traffic generation. It comes with a built-in traffic tool that's entirely automated. That means you won't need to pay for ads to bring visitors to your store. It does it all for you. You'll also find this app super easy to navigate. The interface is simple and intuitive, so even if you're a total newbie, you'll be able to dive in and get your store up and running in minutes. And there's more. With Aixmastore, you get 100% free hosting and don't need a domain, which cuts down on those extra costs we usually face in e-commerce. Plus, it's entirely cloud-based, so you don't have to worry about installing or maintaining software. And with the commercial license, you can actually sell stores to clients, giving you an extra revenue stream. Imagine being able to offer holiday-themed affiliate stores for clients who are eager to tap into this market, but without having to deal with the technical setup. One of the highlights is the content and graphics generator powered by ChatGPT. With it, you can easily create attractive product descriptions and visuals. This ensures your store looks professional and engaging without needing to create content from scratch. And, unlike other platforms, you'll face zero recurring fees. No monthly subscriptions, just a one-time investment. And with the 30-day money-back guarantee, there's no risk if you find it doesn't suit your needs. All in all, Aixmastore gives you a high-converting affiliate store loaded with top-selling products in just minutes, without spending a penny on paid traffic or dealing with the headaches of traditional e-commerce. If you're ready to dive into seasonal affiliate marketing or even start an agency around this, be sure to check it out. You'll find a link in the description. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more reviews on powerful online tools. Before we wrap up, I have an exclusive bonus for those who decide to enroll using the link in the description. If you sign up for the software through my link, I'll be providing a set of valuable ebooks on making money online. These ebooks are packed with proven strategies and insights that can help you maximize your income and discover new opportunities. Once you've enrolled, just send me a message on Instagram with proof of your purchase, and I'll personally send you the ebooks as a thank you gift for trusting this opportunity through the Review Scout. These resources are designed to help you get ahead, whether you're just starting out or looking to grow your online income. Don't miss out on this chance to gain valuable knowledge and an amazing remote job opportunity.